Okay. Okay, seems like I am live now. And let me quickly verify it using my phone. Uh, okay. Or if you can hear me, then you guys can also confirm. Okay, seems like I am. Yeah, I confirmed by myself. Okay. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back again to our weekly live stream session where we talk on different topics, which is most of the time related to productivity. And in today's video session, also, we're going to talk about some of really awesome free apps that are available for Windows 11. Although we know there are ton, I'm not going to say ton, but millions of apps already built for Windows platform, and Windows tried to make it, put it together using Windows Store. But still, I think there are so many apps that are out there and we are not aware of. So in today's live stream, we're going to talk about all different kind of apps across different categories. And although we generally talk about productivity, but we're going to cover also about, let's say, games. Okay, so let me have a look here if everything worked perfectly fine, and then we will be continuing our live stream session. Vipin Mati Velen, hi Vipin, thank you so much. You are the first one today who responded. So let me now talk about the first category that I would like to discuss on this, different categories. So I thought of I will be talking about 15 plus category. So let's see how many categories we can cover. Okay, so now I'm gonna quickly share my screen, and really I will appreciate if anybody have got any kind of questions. Feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will surely try to answer your question. And this is the beauty of keeping the live stream session, right? And yeah, I mean, this is the whole purpose of keeping this, so that we can make it more interactive and more a two-way communication. Now let me see. And as you can also see from my dress, winter now have arrived in India, and especially if you are living in northern part of India. So now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna quickly share my screen and just preparing for that. Okay, so I hope I'm sharing the correct one. Yep. Let me make myself a little bit down so that I can also come in this framework. Okay, so now let's start with today's session, and I would like to start with the list today. So starting with a category which is related to gaming and entertainment. So I would say when we talk about gaming and entertainment, we do have some prominent name there. For example, Epic Game Store and Steam. So let's quickly jump into and see what they have to offer. So both these platforms, I would say, are in a kind of, you can download them for free, and you may also look for some of free games. So Steam, I would say, is the most popular one here. So if you are really, fan of a Windows game, then probably Steam have got the biggest collection here. And I guess everybody agrees to me in this regard. Let me also pause myself here. My sound. Just wanted to check if I am live. Yep. So I was talking about Steam. So Steam is one of the biggest platform from where the Windows users can download game. And since we need to cover a lot, so I will not go too much in depth on all these platforms. Then the next one I would say, as I was mentioning, is Epic Games. So let me type here Epic Games, and there we go. So if you are, gaming freak or gaming who love to play a lot of game, then I would say these are some of the best platform which you would like to have a look on. Apart from, yeah, I mean, you may find even some of free games available, and especially just like any other store, they also offer deals a lot of time. And let's say you do not want to go on specific game, then one can also have a look on Windows Pass, Gaming Pass. That will take us here. So this is also, I would say, a great place to browse and have a look at if somebody would like to play games. And I need to have a look. Okay, so here we can see at just 99 rupees, seems like I have already used it. Just for this amount, one can play a lot of different games. So in gaming category, I would say if you know Steam, Epic Games, and then this Xbox Pass, or I would say PC Game Pass, you are good to go, especially in Windows 11. So these are some of prominent name that I wanted to talk about in this list or in this category. And since we need to cover a lot, so let's move on toward a next app that I would like to talk about, which is Kodi. Okay, so let's hit enter. And this is like, I would say, free media player where you can organize and think. So using Kodi, you can create your own server, can create your own, entertainment. For example, you can keep movie and photos and all, and then you can use it as a server. It is also available. Then you can access your content from anywhere. You need to make sure that you are on same network. You can browse your content. Let's say you uploaded your content in a Windows 11 device, and then you can use it in, let's say, any Android smart TV, or probably I need to see if it is available for Apple. Yeah, but yeah, I guess it is. It should be available probably. So it is really nice to have. One can even host it in Raspberry Pi, which is really nice. Now we have covered our first category. Let me also go back here. So we have covered our first category, which was related to gaming and entertainment. Let's talk about another category, which today I will be talking about, which is related to messaging and collaboration. So if I talk about messaging and collaboration, the biggest name here I would say is Discord, especially if somebody play game, because you're gonna get free voice, video, and chat tool for communities. So yeah, one may think of, oh, this is too much of dark themed, or could be specific for gamers. But the kind of tools or the kind of capability that it come up with, it is really top notch. And if somebody is not a gamer and would like to collaborate with a small team or even bigger team, one can look at Slack. Slack, again, let me actually share my screen back. Slack, I would say, is again the excellent platform. Or let me actually keep on open these. And I was first of all mentioning about Discord. And probably in future, I may come up with specific videos regarding these softwares or platform. So Discord, I would say, comes in free as well as paid edition. But believe me, guys, free version also is more than enough for all different kind of use case. For example, if you would like to do video call, or if you would like to create channel and would like to invite your whole team there and want to share your screen, all this is possible using Discord. And a lot of time gamers use it a lot. And then we also have seen a lot of communities say no to bakwas. Wow, what's a name? So let me respond to this. Hi. And I also want, if you guys can ask me questions, so that would be again very nice, such that we utilize this live stream session, as I would have made even further polish videos on these topics. So it's up to you. Okay, so Discord is really awesome, guys. You can create community, and for those who have used AI tools, for example, DALI, then they are already aware of what Discord is. Or for example, Midjourney, because you can even integrate these kind of softwares to create, to generate images. So Discord is that powerful. And this tool, as I mentioned, start from free, and then it's totally up to you if you'd like to pay for it. Then another tool I would say, which is slightly toward professionals, is known as Slack. Slack is again an excellent tool to form your own intranet. You can simply create your company. Even you do not require, I would say, ID, which is professional. You can even create a group using Gmail account. And then, as you can see here, the screenshot itself shows the whole thing, which shows what is available. So just like Discord, you can create channel here. Yeah, but in Discord, you can also create voice channel, but here you may not be able to create voice channel, but obviously one can create text-based channel. One can directly message each other. One can also add bots here, for example, Trello bot or any kind of bot that will help you to automate something. For example, let's say you would like to send a message to everyone regarding attendance, who is online or who is available. You can do that using bot. So this tool also start as a free, and you know what? I also use it. So let me show you. Here you can see Slack, where I discuss with my team, and then obviously I do not want to show you too much of thing here, but let me see what I can show you. Okay, so here you can see I have created this Technoholic team, and then where we do all kind of brainstorming, and I actually do not wanted to show you my personal DMs, but you can do personal messaging, you can even share screen, you can even do voice chat. Okay, so this was another excellent tool available for free, and then if you want to pay to avail extra features, you can based on your requirement. Now, the next in my list is WebEx. WebEx is again one of excellent tool for collaboration, and I would say it is now even powered with AI that can help you to summarize your meetings, which is really nice. And professionally, let me tell you, I use WebEx. And so you can think of, if I'm using it professionally, so how good this software could be. I mean, my company where I work in, it is like one of top-notch company in its domain, 100+ years, one of the best. So they also use WebEx. Now let's move on toward something which is easily available if somebody do not want to go on these platform. That app is Microsoft Teams, where you will find even better integration with Microsoft 365 family of product. For example, if you are using Office 365 suite, you may see you do not even need to add your colleagues. You will see even better integration with, for example, Microsoft Outlook and I mean, you do not need to even separately add meeting. It will be already there in Microsoft Teams. So it is that powerful. And it's not only available for business use case, but you can also download it for personal use. So seems like when somebody click here on Microsoft Teams, okay, so it is directly giving me option to download it. But when we try to install it, I believe it will give us option whether you would like to install it as in school app or you know, what can I say, or for professional work. Apart from that, I think since the list is so long, I would say Zoom Meets and Google Meet is also excellent platform that I think is worth mentioning. So I do not want to make this video so long. Probably I may cover in our upcoming stream. If you guys say yes, I should cover those. In upcoming stream, I can cover those slightly in more in depth, and then we can compare which one is better. Okay, now I'm thinking of jumping into our next category, which is file management in Windows. So far, we have covered two category, which is, I'm so sorry guys. Unfortunately, I'm not able to, erase this sneezing, but maybe because of this winter effect, I would say. Okay, so far we have covered two category, which is gaming and entertainment, and then messaging and collaboration. Now let's talk about our third category that I would like to mention here, which is file management. And I think I should also fix the problem that I am facing with, what can I say, with OBS, that it takes a lot of time to switch. So in case of file management, I would like to mention about a few tools that I personally use. When I was using before, for example, files, now I have stopped using it. But that doesn't mean that it is not that much featureful. It is very featureful, guys, and I will let you know in a moment. Let me again go back to my screen. I don't know if it's a good idea to do back and forth, like I'm sharing my screen and then again I'm going back to camera mode. Probably I will not do it now. So I wanted to start with files. So let me type here files, and not the one by Google's, but this one. So files, I would say if you do not like Windows Explorer, then file is an excellent alternative to it. It going to offer you the following, which is multitask with tabs. And I think now you can also do that inside Windows Default Explorer. And again, I'm gonna give credit to files because that pushed Microsoft to add it in their, in their app also. It also offers dual pane tags, file and folder, which is really excellent. And I believe now Microsoft also offer. No? Okay. So you can see all these kind of capabilities, and okay. And I think still what Windows is missing is this column view. That is pretty common, I would say, in case of Macintosh. Let me actually open it, and I'm gonna say files, column view, and let me delete this. I just wanted to show you how it look, probably in images. So this is the way how it look, and this one was specific or exclusive to I would say Mac, but now using files you can achieve that. So if you like this kind of interface, you can have it. Now, apart from files, the next software that I would like to talk with you about is WizTree. And I'm gonna also open it in my system. And I also would like to show you here, okay? So this is an excellent tool, which most of the tool that I am talking here is free of cost, is an excellent tool that is available for free, help you to gain or regain your disk space, which you are not aware of what actually is consuming all your hard drive space. For example, in my case, I am not that organized, I would say. So you can see here one TV full, another TV full, and then and these are also almost full, but I am not aware of what exactly is taking all that space. So what here I can do is I can make a right click, and then I was thinking of I have already installed it. Seems like I have installed. Oh yeah. So let me click here on download, because the software is so fast. I can show it straight away, the capability. Okay. I'm gonna go back and let's click here. Seems like they have added this donate now, which I would say is quite justified if you think that software is capable enough. Now it comes in two variants, which is installer and portable. I'm gonna go with installer, and let's open this, install it. And there we go. Let's click on finish. Now I'm gonna close this. Now let me go back again to where? Let's say in downloads. Yep. And here I would like to analyze where my space is going. So let me go here on WizTree, and now I'm gonna run it, and it's gonna show me where exactly I'm going to consume all my space. And seems like there is a file which is like consuming 15.2 gigabyte of space. So let me explore that in folder. I can also delete it directly from here. For example, if I select and click on delete, it can delete it for me. So in just one click, I realize what exactly is taking my space. Now, since I deleted it, so let me also have a look at a recycle bin and delete it from there. So I'm gonna delete everything here. And now I should see that I have regained so much of space. And it seems like there was some data from this drive also. So in this way, guys, you can utilize this WizTree to save a lot of space. So this one was my favorite, and seems like I installed my Windows, so that's how I think I deleted it. Now I'm gonna talk about another excellent tool that I use a lot, which is this one, everything. So let me quickly show you how good it is in terms of searching in your system. So for example, I would like to search for what? Let me create a file somewhere. Here, for example, or I can see this auto video folder there. Now, if I go to my normal file explorer here, I'm going to search for auto video. It is taking some time, and if I ask this search everything, auto video, you see, I did some mistake here. What the hell? VIDEO. Okay, so you see, it took some time, but in case of search, it is instant. So this is a beauty of this everything. And then if you, let's say, would like to further refine your search, you can also add filter. So that will give you more flexibility of, let's say, defining whether you are searching for folders or other different type of apps. Now let's go back, and here, let me open this everything. So here it is, and it is absolutely free. You can download it and can also donate it if you think that you are getting value worth of doing some donation. So I will definitely appreciate you or encourage you to, donate. And here you can see some of donations being uh, done by people, which is really nice. And I also encourage, if somebody is using it for a while, should donate so that they keep on making this kind of awesome tool. Okay, so now we have covered three categories, which is gaming and entertainment, messaging and collaboration, and file management. Now I'm gonna talk about the third category, which is PDF tools. And let's talk from very basic, which is Adobe, or even let's forget Adobe. If you'd like to open any PDF, then I would say let me actually use the same everything. If I do have PDF, I'm gonna type star.pdf. And now here, if you are wondering why nothing appeared, I have selected folder here, so I'm gonna select document. And now here we have got so many PDF available. So let me open this with Chrome. So you can open PDF even with Chrome or Edge browser. Forget even having a dedicated software, for example, Adobe PDF Reader. Now again, let me go back here. And actually, I would like to see what kind of capability you're gonna get here. So you have, it says annotation present. Okay. So when it says annotation, I need to see where they have got these annotation tools. Still, I'm trying to find. Okay, only what I can do is I can make it fit to width and this. Okay, those are pretty basic. But let's say you want to do a little bit more. Probably Edge should have more tools. Okay, so here in Microsoft Edge, you may even find, for example, draw tool, highlighter, which I really like, and then you can also see table of content, nice, and then you can also add, or add text here. Probably we also have got this delete option, which can delete things for you. And here one have got this ask copilot option. Let me have a look if I can really ask questions from here. Okay, so let me ask what you see in this document. Opened PDF. Let's see if we can ask. Oh, great. So now you also have a power to ask AI. Isn't it cool, guys? Which even make it further better. Let me open something else. Um, Let me again go back here and look for something which is design of question paper. Frame 3 cubes. Probably this one should be interesting. Okay. No. Okay. Washing. Hope this one is good. No. Okay, seems like I have downloaded so many of weird stuff. And I was thinking of if I can have something which is more easier. This is about GPU. So let's open this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna question again which GPU we are talking about in this PDF. And now let's have a look. Oh, wow. So here we can see, we used to see this kind of capability in paid version. Now we are getting it for free inside Microsoft Edge. Probably Microsoft Edge is promoting promoting. I mean, Microsoft is promoting, users to use Edge. So that's how they bring up this capability here, which is really nice. Can you summarize this document for me real quick? Now let's have a look. Okay, and this looks quite interesting. Okay, so I think if somebody want it for free, this one is really awesome. And then I guess it is also asking, it gonna give us capability to, oh, this one is related to Adobe. So I was thinking of, okay, so this is written edit with Acrobat. So if you want to edit your document with Acrobat, I would say, nah, don't do it, because that one is very expensive. Rather, I would suggest you to go with the another tool that I have installed here. Let me open the same one, Quadro one, in this WPS Office. Yeah. Now, if I click on Edit PDF, you see I can basically edit this PDF. Okay, I need to fix the battery. Just give me a minute, guys. So you see the capability of this WPS Office. So if you want something for free that can do all these different kind of editing for you, I would say this is an excellent tool, which is available for free. So so we discussed about so many freebies, guys. If you have any kind of questions so far, feel free to ask. I am just checking all the questions that you are asking. Hope that there will be more questions. So I am waiting for your questions. Please feel free to ask, and I will look for it. If not, then we will proceed. And for those who have joined our live stream just now, in this live stream so far we have covered different apps, and specifically I'm focusing on those apps which deliver a really very high value and comes free of cost. So I am trying to include those apps which are free of cost. And so far we have covered gaming and entertainment section. We also spoke about where we covered Epic Games, Microsoft Gaming Pass, Steam, and Kodi, a free media player. Then we spoke about messaging and collaboration apps, for example, Telegram, Slack. Oh, I think I missed Telegram. So Telegram is also, one of excellent platform. But we covered Slack, Discord, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and then what else we covered? That I need to check in my live stream. Yeah, I guess I also mentioned Discord. Yeah. Then we spoke about file management, and then we started with files, which is an excellent, I would say, alternative to file manager. And then we also spoke about WizTree that I also use personally. And then we also spoke about everything. And then we talk about PDF tool, and we saw how even free tool like Microsoft Edge, for that you do not need to install anything in your system, comes for free, and you can also do AI chat with the document. And then if we talk about PDF editor, we saw how capable the WPS Office editor is in editing PDF. Now, probably I would like to continue this video, but maybe I think I may not be able to cover everything in this session. This is gonna be our last category of tools that I would like to discuss. And in our upcoming video, we will be continuing our journey because I have shortlisted like 15 plus category, but probably it would be tough for me to cover all of them in a go. And I am also expecting questions from your side. If you may have, feel free to add those in comment down below. Come on, guys. Is it possible like you guys do not have any questions related to Windows, different applications for Windows? That's look weird. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about the last category here, which is related to system optimization. And I'm gonna talk about two tools here that is from Microsoft itself. The first one is the Windows PC Manager that I use a lot, and another one is okay, let's jump into it. Let me share back my screen. Okay, so we were discussing here this PDF editor. So let me now open PC Manager. Okay, so this tool that brings or that keep all different Windows optimization tool at a one place. Let me click on download and install it. So it is just 1 MB guys, and it is, I would say, very useful. Oh no, that one was 1 MB, but it will still download things from online. Okay, that's how I was thinking of. What? 1 MB? Okay. So it is 48.8. Okay, so here you can see it says that welcome to Windows Microsoft PC Manager. So Windows 11 became so much capable guys, or better guys, that now they are also offering this kind of tool. And the text look here very small. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, now it is slightly bigger. So what it offers is all the capabilities at one place. And since this is from Microsoft, you can trust on it. This app is really nice. So here, in just one click, you can boost. For example, here my memory usage is around 25%, and temp file in my system is around 7.2 gigabyte. So in just one click, I can clean up everything. So in a way, you can see here, my memory usage reduced from 25% to 17. And then I also cleared 7.2 gigabyte of temporary file, which is awesome, guys. And then you can also do deep cleanup. So all this capability is coming to you for free. All we need to know, or we need to be aware of, and that's how, or not that's how, but that's why we came up with this live stream and our today's topic. So here we can see we now have reduced our memory uses from 18%, from 25% to 18%, which is really nice. Wanted to see here. Okay. Yep. So now more amount of memory is free. Then you have got ton of tool. For example, it can help you to find viruses and threats in your system. It can also help you to update your system. So you see all different kind of capability at one place. It also offers you this deep cleanup and analyzing the disk. So all this capability you're gonna get at one place, and that too for free and from Microsoft. So what else you need in terms of refining or optimizing your system? It is really awesome, guys. And here you can also see some of very big files. or no, this one is related to downloaded file, I guess. So it can also analyze potential, I would say, garbage in your system that will help you to further optimize. So you see, we have got thread protection, storage, and then optimization of memory, and again, um, get get rid of junk file all together. And then we also have got this toolbox, which you can also enable and can keep it in your system. So I think it should be there somewhere. So you can also enable or disable it. Okay, so this is this. So if you want, you can keep it here. And then you also have other options. For example, if you would like to take screenshot, you can do that, and so on. So again, I would say if you find it interesting, you can keep it. You can also attach it like this. Okay. Now it will be auto hidden, and whenever you go toward that edge, you can see it will again pop out. Now for the time being, I'm going to keep it off. And then here you can see more option, for example, caption. Okay. And seems like it is ready now. And okay, something needed to be downloaded. No. Okay, ready to show live caption in English, India. Okay. Position, you can control it. I don't know who want this kind of thing. So this would be useful when, let's say, you are not that good in terms of hearing, and you want, whenever there is a video playback or something, the system can transcribe the video for you and can show in the form of caption. Okay, the last tool that I would like to talk here about is again from Microsoft Windows, which is known as Power App. So Power App, I would say, is an excellent software that going to add wings to your Windows. So if you want, oh no, I'm not talking about Power Apps. What happened to me? I wanted to talk about PowerToys. So here you can see all different capability here being added. So let me actually install it. I think I may not have installed it yet. And again, in this video, I'm not gonna go too much in depth. Let's go with this x64 version. Guys, if you have got any questions till now, feel free to ask me. Okay, now I'm gonna click on open, agree, install. And installation completed. And now here I can see the capability of this PowerToy. So it comes with so many capability. For example, if I press the control twice here, I can see the thing that I wanted to highlight, which is one of my favorite capability. Then here we can see advanced paste, which work with Windows Shift and V. Let me do it actually, Windows Shift and V. And now here you can see we do have got this image to text, which looks really awesome. Then paste as PNG. So let me actually choose this first one, image to text, and then probably I will explore it later on. So here we can see the capability of this tool. There is text extractor also, which I guess one can do like this, and then, oh wow. So one need to press Windows Shift and T, and then one can paste it. So let me do it. Windows Shift and T. What? let me go back here. Extractor, it was somewhere here. Wait. Okay, here it is. Windows Shift and T. Okay. I think I need to enable it first, and now I can do that. Windows Shift and T, and now I can basically take screenshot. So this one is really helpful when when we open a site that does not allow us to do anything. So let me open Word here. And now I'm gonna paste it. And there we go. Here we can see, guys, how good it is in terms of copying and pasting. I really love this capability. But there could be a challenge here. Maybe sometime when, let's say, the content is written by handwritten, or I would say, the image is not that clear, then in that scenario, probably one may face the issue. So this was all about that I wanted to cover in this live stream. And again, let me go through a quick overview, the categories that we have covered so far. In Windows 11 apps category, we talk about gaming and entertainment. Then we talk about messaging and collaboration. Then file management, PDF tools, and Windows or system optimization. And I hope, guys, you find this live stream helpful and informational. I am still waiting for any questions if you may have, or else we can close this. Come on, guys. I am so probably unsatisfied by myself because probably I'm that bad that nobody is commenting, or I think when we talk about values or this kind of stuff, it become really monotonous, and I can understand it. That's why I do not see any comment or any feedback, if anybody may have. Okay, if not, then we can wrap up today's live stream. Hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic. And if you have got any questions related to PC laptop hardware, then do check out instore.com, where we have created a list of curated part. For example, let me share it, where we have created list of curated or handpicked parts, focusing you in mind and your requirement in mind. For example, if somebody would like to have a gaming laptop, so they can have a look at this list, and from there they will be again rerouted back to Amazon. So in this way, you're gonna buy from your trusted platform. At the same time, you're gonna get value from us, that we have helped you out already in creating this. I would say we did all those background research for you, so that you do not feel lost in huge Amazon market. So that's all, guys, from my side. Again, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, and I will catch you soon with another live stream another week. Till then, you take care, and bye bye.